In this video, I'll be using PDQ Deploy to package and deploy Thunderbird. I'm starting this video from my GitHub page, and that's because there are a few bits of information here that I will be using for this video. And I will leave the URL in the description down below. Also, in the bottom of the page, you can find more of my videos that are related to this topic. For example, here you can find videos about my Windows Server setup, and there is also a video about my PDQ Deploy setup. And now I will begin this video by downloading Thunderbird executable installation files, and for that I will click on the link that I have here. That brings me to the Thunderbird download page, and I will be downloading the English US Windows MSI 64-bit installer. I will click on the button right here, and then I will go to my downloads folder. And now I will right click on the file. I will select copy, and then I will go to my VMware workstation where I have my Windows environment. And here I will be placing the installation file in a network share that is accessible to my users and computers. And for that I will open File Explorer and enter my file server name as SRV02. I will go inside of this software share, and here I will create another folder. I will name it Thunderbird and go inside of it. And I will place the executable here. And now I can start creating my package, and for that I will go to PDQ Deploy. I will right click on packages, select a new package. I will name the package Thunderbird. Then I will click on steps, select install. Here I need to provide my installation files, so I'll click on the button right here. Once again, I will go to my file server, SRV02, software share, Thunderbird folder, and select the MSI file. And because we're using an MSI file, we don't need to provide any more values here. We can save the package and close the window. And now I will be deploying the package to a few of my clients, so I will select the package here. Then I will click on deploy once. I will select my computers by clicking on choose targets, Active Directory, and computers. And here I will select my client 01 and client 02. Then I will click on this button, and the computers appeared in this window. Then I will click OK and deploy now. And now we need to wait a bit. And the deployment is over. We can see that it was successful for both of my clients, but I will double check by going to client 01 that I have here. And here we can see our Thunderbird shortcut. I will double click on it, and it gives us the sign-in screen. And that's it for this video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and see you in the next one.